When I uploaded my very first YouTube video, I thought the hardest part would be speaking on camera. But no, the real struggle was getting people to click. I made the thumbnails I thought looked good, but when I checked my numbers, almost nobody cared. If you are a small business owner or entrepreneur, you probably know this feeling. If you are using YouTube to grow your business, to sell products, or to drive traffic to your website, thumbnails matter. And at the same time, you are already wearing every hat: HR, finance, marketing, customer service. YouTube is powerful, but it eats your time. And one of the hardest jobs, thumbnails. A thumbnail is your video's shop window, the picture people see before they decide to click. Imagine walking past the bakery. The window is full of fresh bread, glossy cakes, golden pastries you can almost smell. You were not planning to go in, but now you are. That is what the good thumbnail does. It stops the scroll. It sparks curiosity. And if your audience don't click, they never see your content, your products, or your business. When I started in March 2025, I was completely new. I still have a full-time job, so YouTube is only part-time for me. I tried smiley face thumbnails, but hardly anyone clicked. I changed to clay-style thumbnails. They looked different, but still didn't bring much impact. For most of us, there's no overnight success on YouTube. Some big companies have, outstanding thumbnails, but you don't know how many marketing, digital, or design people they have behind them. With a limited budget, we can't build the whole team like that. That's where I struggled the most until I found VidIQ's thumbnail generator. It's AI-powered, so it gives you creative ideas personalized for your needs. Easy and quick to generate. There's no extra cost each time when you generate a thumbnail within your subscription. So today, I will show you step by step how I use it to save time, look professional, and get more clicks. I will put my affiliate link in the description if you would like to check it out as we go. You can use VidIQ in two ways. One is through web dashboard, where you log in to VidIQ account. First, open thumbnail generator. The dashboard opens, you can describe your thumbnail idea or let AI suggest options. You will see buttons like video, faces, objects, reference, and likeness. Type an idea, click create, and AI generates drafts in seconds. Second, edit thumbnail. Click on any design and you will see tools at the bottom. Refine, erase, text, image, sticker, edit, and face swap. Here, you can add short, bold text, upload your face, product, or logo. Use arrows or stickers to highlight, and even try face swap if your expression isn't strong enough. Face swap lets you replace it with a clearer one from another photo. No retakes needed. These edits save me so much time, and they make my thumbnails look professional. If you would like to try it, my affiliate link is in the description. I may earn a small commission if you use it at no extra cost to you, but your support means a lot to me to grow this channel. Third, optimize with feedback. Go to Optimize tab and click on your video. Here, you get a view of your title and a thumbnail with a score and feedback. Here, it shows what's great, like topic match and emotion, and what can be improved, like visual harmony or composition. You can also use a smart thumbnail builder, which gives you next generation options. It even lets you reference successful thumbnails and create stronger designs. And see the little note icon in the top right corner? If you click it, you can view or copy the full description of the thumbnail that the AI generated. This is useful if you want to keep track of ideas or refine your design later. Fourth, preview. Click the preview tab. Now you can see how your thumbnail looks in different YouTube places. On the homepage, where it must stand out on its own. In search results, next to other videos, in suggested videos, besides competitors, and in both light mode and dark mode. This way, you know it works everywhere before you publish. Fifth, save and apply. If you are in YouTube Studio, when you are happy with your design, click Save your thumbnail updates right inside YouTube Studio. So the other is with the browser extension, which integrates right into your YouTube channel. So in YouTube Studio, open your video and click Create Thumbnail with vidIQ. Let AI create options, edit with the text images. When you are happy with your design, click Save and Apply instantly. All in one place, all designed to save you time and help your video get clicked. As a small startup, you don't need to hire a designer or waste hours in Canva or Photoshop. vidIQ's thumbnail generator helps me save time and stay consistent. For me, it feels like having a design assistant 24/7. And honestly, YouTube can feel slow and lonely. I once spent nearly €1,000 on a course and only published one video. What keeps me going are those little cheers from vidIQ. Yeah, you go to the viewer. Yes, you reached 1,000 views. Tiny moments like that matter when you are juggling business life and YouTube. So tell me in the comments, what's your biggest struggle with thumbnails? I would love to hear. Thank you for watching. See you next time.